Well, good morning, my friends. Welcome to day number 2 at the off-road games. See, I studied that. I did good. Yeah. You seen all the action yesterday, and now today we're going to recreate the same thing, but with the second set of YouTubers. We got a little drama going on. Yeah. Just a little drama. Reddit. If people just get on there, you're real big behind computers, you know, just typing away. You know, what's that do for you? Anyway, there's some people saying that they're going to try to crash the party. The trail. Guess what? The party ain't going to get crashed. You know why? Because Bronco Adventures gets to bring up the rear of the trail. And I'll tell you right now, nobody getting past me. I'll put the Bronco on its side before you get past me.
Do that, please.
It's what it's going to be. I'm not going to do that, but you tempt me twice, you know. So these guys are getting the crowd going right here behind us, shooting t-shirts and getting everything started for the morning, but we're gearing up to just start playing tail gunner for today. The contestant that I'm most excited about today, Holly Fowler with Mischief Maker TV. Is that Mischief Maker TV? Yeah. You got to look her up. She does some awesome stuff. I personally like the build process. Going out and playing off-road, it's fun. I enjoy that, but
she works on her own stuff. Yeah. She's just cool.
Her and her husband, and she's got a good team behind it. Yeah. So check out Mischief Maker TV. It's cold. You notice it's not windy. Yeah. I don't have sand in my eyes yet. Teeth. Ears. That guy caught that. That was impressive. That was like 200 feet in the air. But the rain on the rocks, it's going to be fine. Not concerned at all. I'm cool as a clam. Like, you know, it's good. But yeah, everybody's starting up the hill. You know, we're just going to help out today once again. Come on, jump in the Bronco. Let's go. Who's is bigger?
I want to be shiny today.
If we could have had that.
This dirt lifestyle, probably ought to go meet them and say hello.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Triple sevens, double semi.
Yep.
We're doing it.
Playing defense. We got to block the trail. We got to do it in style, right? That's how we do that, I think. we're back.
A crazy trail.
That was awesome.
I've never done that.
Well, yes and no. I have not done that, but Monica has.
Not all of 777 though.
777? That's a different. That's I would like to just spend some time on that trail to like take the harder stuff and really work the Bronco to do it, because I know it can, but we were kind of also working. We were just picking up all the stuff that we could. The easy ups and the tarps and the banners and all the stuff.
Throw it in the back.
Throw it in the back, Jack. You know, we're trying to make this easier for the cleanup, which is going to take some time. That is what it is. I didn't see any trash. The people here are taking care of Sand Hollow. I am impressed. In fact, you got a pocket full of trash. Just little things.
Yeah, little wrappers, but it's windy, and I kind of like it.
Things blow away.
I saved a hat today.
Yeah. So, Broncstar, did you see that? We got to hang out with Broncstar. Hillbilly, as everyone calls him. I believe he's with Robbie Layton Nation, I think is what it is.
That's what he said. RLN.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Anyway, legit dudes, like just easy, down to earth. I haven't watched tons of their stuff, but I'm gonna now, you know. But that was fun. You see him crawl the tire? Well, it's because we were playing defense. There was cars or razors or whatever coming up behind us, and we were like, nah. Now we're back down at the vendor area. Got everybody off the mountain. It's almost time for wrecker poles. Round 2. But give us an update. What'd we eat for lunch? Because it was awesome.
The orange chicken. The orange chicken.
The orange chicken. Why'd we pick the orange chicken? Well, it's because there was no line. We walked right up, and I was like, I'm open to get some orange chicken. And they were like, here you go. Oh, also, Hefe and the crew, they just come passing out.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A sandwiches. They were just like you get a sandwich. He was like Oprah of the sandwiches. Like, you get one and you get one. It was great. So that was a good trail snack. Entering the giveaway for that Jeep right there. I'm really bad at this pointing thing. Are we going to win it?
I wouldn't know what to do with it.
I wouldn't know what to do with it. I'd have to call it Bronco. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I wouldn't say no, is what I'm saying. Tomorrow at 5, we'll see if we have the luck of the draw.
Maybe.
Yeah. We're gonna put it out there to the world. That Jeep's coming home to Bronco Adventures Garage, and we'll do some torture tests. No, I wouldn't. I'd probably daily drive it. It looks really nice. But anyway, we've been taken away from the wrecker games for a sec, or the wrecker poles for a second. We gotta go recover a easy up awning off the trail. Got left up there. It's a little broken, a little cold, needs to be brought back home. So jump in, we're going to do that right now. We've won.
We did it.
We got
777s for the third time. That's why they call it 777s.
Yeah, 777 on a what, 8 rated trail?
Yeah, it's been a weekend.
You know, again, like we said yesterday, came here just to supply some help, you know. You got to have the Army behind this stuff, and I'm really impressed with this event. Plus, you got local law enforcement here, EMS services,
search
all
and rescue.
That. Yeah, like there is help every which way you look. If you need it, and if you don't need it, it's just a good thing that they are there. So, huge shout out to those guys. Matt and his crew, everybody that's been involved with this has their stuff put together. Now,
they're working hard for it.
They are. We were up there. What were we hearing? RPMs going through the roof down at the wrecker poles. So I'm sorry that I'm missing out for you guys. So we're going there now.
How many head shakes we got today? We come up this trail and people are like, he's not going to make it.
The comments. Okay, if you've ever done 777s, one of the first obstacles is pretty serious.
Whoop, and then whoop.
And I was a little nervous, okay, not going to lie. We're all human. Monica was very nervous.
I was very concerned.
Yeah, EMS, I'm glad you were there. But then the second obstacle was like, you know, you got to just pick a line. Well, in the line that I picked, the first time didn't work out so good, but we made it. But the comments were great.
Yeah.
Oh, if he can't make it up that, he's not finishing this damn trail.
Well, we finished.
We did it.
You know. And then, you know, the next obstacle, oh, those Broncos are trash. Well, you know what? You like what you like, and I like what I like. Let's just go off-roading, friend, you know?
We just love Sand Hollow.
Oh, Sand Hollow is great.
And I think everyone that's here agrees with that statement.
Oh, Yeah. If you've never been to Hurricane in Sand Hollow State Park, you're missing out. Put this on your bucket list. Bring a buddy.
Yeah.
Going out alone, you can get into a situation really quick. Just always have somebody else there. Extra eyes on the obstacle.
Strangers are fine.
Stranger danger, you know. We showed up at our Airbnb not knowing anybody but one person there, and I was like, well, we're home apparently. So, you know, slept fully clothed that night. So we missed the wrecker pulls. That's okay, because now we're just going to show you all about the wreckers. But we found our friend Abe, Red Sands Adventure.
Yep.
You live here.
I do live here.
Oh, so jealous.
Yeah. Don't feel bad about missing the record polls either, because I missed almost all of it because of work. So I'm here for just this.
Just quit your job and come live in Sand Hollow. That's all you got to do. We could be beach bums together.
All right, let's do it.
Let's check out some wreckers. This is crazy, the amount of people. Now, we're giving away, not we're, but Matt's Off-Road is giving away stuff. What are they giving away? I don't know. Did you hear?
I have no idea.
Okay, I guess we're finding out. We're just hiding backstage. They got these awnings keeping us out of the rain a little bit. It's getting a little bit cold, but no wind, so that's good.
See if we win.
We might win some. And we're gonna win a Jeep tomorrow, is what they say, if we're lucky.
More Jack. This is $185 value. The name is Leslie Whitten. Leslie, are you here?
And there it is, day number 2 of the off-road games. We didn't win anything at the raffle, but that means our name's still in the pot to win our Jeep tomorrow. Jeep Gladiator. Yeah, we're gonna drive it right home, put it in the garage. Trade in the Bronco and we'll be Jeepers. Rad! I don't know. No, probably not. We'll just, you know, make multiple amounts of content. Anyway, get off the couch. You got to create an adventure. We will be coming back at you again tomorrow for day number 3 of the off-road games here at Hurricane, Utah. Beautiful place. Hopefully the weather's better. If not, we're still going to enjoy it and bring it right to you. Get off the couch. Do it. Do it now.
Bronco Adventures.
Live action. We're just getting ready to leave Sand Hollow and we found a spaceship. Look at this. What in the world? What do you call that thing? Like, what in the... Wow. It's got paddle tires on it. Is that one of them Cybro trucks?
Are they gonna rock crawl it?
Maybe
they're gonna jump it.
I don't know, but I like it.